Hello everyone, this is Mike from Well Maintained Home Services. So today I'm on a job and I am replacing a ceiling fan in a stairway. And I'll show you a little bit about what we're working on. So right here is the stairway. It's coming up, and at the very top, they had an old fan here, and we got a new ceiling fan that we're going to be installing today. So you want to be very careful with these jobs, because I have this great ladder that can extend on the stairs, and I'll make it easy to reach up there. So if you have anything like this that we can help you out with, give me a call. Thanks. Okay, now that I'm up here on the ladder, I thought it might be good to explain that when installing ceiling fans, there are particular boxes that you should use. These are ceiling fan rated boxes. And the nice thing is they bear the weight of the ceiling fan. There's different styles that you can get. This one, I did some testing to see how far the actual floor joist is, or the rafter joist. And I'm able to, I'll be cutting out a hole here and make room for this box. And then I can attach it right to the actual wood rafter. And so it'll make sure that it's strong. It won't be falling down. That's the main thing. And so it's very important that these are installed, especially with heavy fixtures. So I just wanted to put that out there. Thank you very much.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who'll stay. Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was.
Hi everyone. Well, we got the ceiling fan installed. It's looking pretty nice, working perfectly, and it's gonna be a nice addition to this home, and it will not only help in the wintertime to kind of push the heat down to the lower levels, but also in the summertime when you want the air conditioning to circulate throughout the home. So we're gonna clean up now. We're gonna get some drop cloths and shop vac, and our goal for every job is to leave your home better than we found it. And so we'll make sure that it looks in top shape. So if you have any services or you need help with assistance with any maintenance, please visit us at wellmaintainedhome.com, and you can request an estimate or give me a call. Okay, thank you.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back.